If you don't have an emergency fund, now is the time to get one started. And I have 7 savings challenges helping you to save money for an emergency fund. And these savings challenges that I've been doing all year in 2025 are almost completed. I have 3 completed, and we're finishing up the last ones in 2025. So I have 4 more to complete, which will be completed by the end of this year. Then we're going to be starting over in 2026. And guess what? They're working with small amounts of money. So no matter what your financial situation is, you can still put away money for emergency fund. Now, the one I'm working on today, it is completed, and the money I'm adding in it now is going to be money that's going to go towards 2026. I haven't emptied this. This one is called the Money Bottle Savings Challenge. I haven't emptied it yet. I'm going to do it before this year is out. So, join me and stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you're going to be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. Now, they come and they can't be avoided. No worries. You just want to be ready and prepared. There's nothing wrong with that. And I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And what you need for this savings challenge is some kind of container. Now, I call this my Money Bottle Savings Challenge. This is a container I got from Walmart. It was full of water. It was around $13, $14, I believe. I bought it, brought it home, poured the water out, let it air out real good. And then every Monday, I've been adding 10 $1 bills. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, did I count that wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 $1 bills. Now, I've been thinking by next year, 2026, adding 20 $1 bills. Now, if you can't do that, I understand. If you can just do 10 $1 bills every Monday or every week, do that. If you can do $20 every week, do that. But if you can't, don't put yourself in any bind. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can. Because it's better to do something than nothing. So do something. And if you can't get a container like this, find something around the house to use until you're able to get something like this. Okay? So yeah, like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to do $20 in 2026. And the reason why I was thinking about increasing it to that, because I've been adding 10 $1 bills in here every week. And every now and then I will miss a video. But it took 2 years to get $1,000. This has been completed. I'll look at my book and tell you what date that was. It was completed. But I started putting 10 $1 bills in here in 2024. And from the beginning of 2024 to the end of 2024, it was $500. So I figured, well, let's carry it over to 2025, to the end of 2025. And it should be at least $1,000, because it took all year to save $500. And I don't know if I want to do this again for 2 years. That's why I might increase it, but I'm not sure yet. And last week, when I put money in here, the money that I put in here is going towards 2026. I gotta cut this open, and I do have a way of taking this money out, but it will take a long time getting it out of here. Okay, so it's like I may be cutting this open and just buy another one because I don't have all day to fool with this. So, so yeah. So we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save at least 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if you have something like this happens, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, buy food. You can still keep things going when you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved. You want to save at least that, okay? Yeah, so you want to make sure you sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. Yeah. And we want to make sure we do these things because you don't want to have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Because this here is this. We want to stay out of this. This is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Okay? Yeah, we want to stay out of this. Like I said, this is not free money. I know I used to use up credit cards and get stuff like this like it was free money. And then when time come to pay it back, I was crying. So, another thing that can help you, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Staying out of this. Have good behavior with money. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow, because there is a tomorrow. And you want to have money to tap into if anything happens. Okay? And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because it is working with small amounts of money. Okay? And also, if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have more than one stream of income. Have multiple streams of income, because if something happens to one, you have some money to tap into. And like I said, this is a great savings challenge because it is working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Yeah. And do whatever you can to start trying to come out of this. This can also help you to save money for your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Just think, if this was $500 and this was $200 or $300, let's say $200, that's $700. That money can go towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Okay? All right. And so, what we're doing now, we have these daily affirmations that we're speaking. We're calling those things as being out as though they were, because death and life is in the power of the tongue, and we have what we say. We're going to believe it, receive it, and expect these things to happen. Remember, the sky is the limit of what you can have. You can have whatever you want, and you can speak it into existence, and that's what we're doing. So let's go ahead and read our affirmations and speak this with power and authority. Okay? I decree and I declare that money now coming, no. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account balance and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full. All my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. And I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Get it in your mind. Visualize it. Start seeing it in your mind, because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money bottle. I already counted this, but I like to kind of put it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and record. And if anybody needs to get a planner, I got this one out of Dollar Tree for $1.25. Matter of fact, I already have my 2026 planner also. Put this pen over there. Okay, so today is Monday, December 15th, and this is our money bottle savings challenge, and we added $10. Okay, let me see. This was completed. This savings challenge was completed, look like December 8th. Now, you know what? I'm writing this on the wrong thing. This is supposed to go to 2026, and I left my 2026 planner in the other room. So I'm just going to write this here now. And I think last week I put in $10, so it should be $20 that's going to be going towards 2026, because this is completed for 2025. And you know what? What I was supposed to do, those 10 $1 bills, I was supposed to rubber band them together, so I know that money is for 2026. That's what I did last week. I took that money and I rubber banded and threw it in there. So when I finish filming, I'm going to take the money out and put it in a rubber band and put it back in there. So when I get ready to do 2026, I'll know that money is for 2026. Okay? All right. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. You all have a safe, wonderful day. And drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.